Elmer's liquid school glue, washable, 1 gallon, 2 count, great for making slime. Great slime base, fast drying formula. Children can make custom slime and glue items quickly with Elmer's washable school glue. Designed with a non-runny formula, Elmer's school glue dries quickly and is adjustable before setting. Save time and reduce mess with Elmer's school glue. Washable for easy cleanup. Created with parents and teachers in mind, Elmer's school glue is washable for fast cleanup and formulated to be safe and non-toxic. Elmer's school glue cleans easily off of hands and out of clothes for safe and fun gluing. Save time and reduce mess with Elmer's school glue. Create, build and learn with Elmer's. For more than 65 years, Elmer's products have been the perfect choice for inspiration and convenience. With a full range of art, craft, repair, school, and office products for both children and adults, Elmer's keeps you prepared for almost any project. Click the link in the description to get this product.